microwave started in a pocket? In the 1940s, in the US, a scientist named Percy Spencer was working on military radar technology. He was experimenting with microwaves, high-frequency radio waves, but during testing, something strange happened. A chocolate bar, in his pocket, kept melting. The room wasn't hot, and there was no heat source nearby. He thought,
wait, could this be because of the microwaves?
To test it, he brought in some popcorn kernels. Boom, they started popping, right in front of him. That's when he realized the microwaves were vibrating, the water molecules in food, creating heat. From the inside out, he had a light bulb moment.
What if I use this to cook food?
And just like that, a military radar project turned into one of the most important kitchen inventions ever. From melted chocolate to modern convenience, the microwave oven was born by accident. Makes you wonder how many other inventions came from small accidents, right? Speaking of which, what if I told you fried chicken was also a happy accident? See you in the next episode. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.